called Bastara crater. ಎತ್ತದ बस का क्या मैच है?
Froylan, how are you feeling?
Excited? What
We
not?
are excited because this is Froylan's first time flying.
First time flying. Used to be where before?
Dubai only.
Dubai only. So the place is familiar to you. Where we are going?
No, obviously now Dubai is completely different now. Before it used to be more of a desert. Now it's very touristy. Yeah.
How is life in Dubai?
Now it is different. It's not the same. Before there used to be same like this, but it was like a house party. Every week they used to have like a party in everyone's house. It used to rotate every Friday, I think. Every Friday or every Thursday they used to have a party. Thursday used to be last day of work. Friday used to be holiday, and they used to have pound parties. So every family would get like one item maybe, or like someone will get alcohol, someone will get food. And they used to all meet up at the house and they used to play songs like with the guitar. One guy used to sing. I still have some of those. Dad had captured all those VHS cassettes. Those parties were quite fun actually when you could see them. And it's like how many? Maybe like 25 people in one flat. Like they used to have like a blast.
Friends
now
and all?
Parties have gone on another scale only over there. It's like full on sunburn and all.
I'm camera shy.
Ashish. And then we have Clinton, who is lost. He can't find us. Hey, missing out on
Do one
something?
thing. Don't answer like mama. When I was small, I used to tell her to take me to the beach. She used to say, "Hi, is beach born Sunday."
After how long you're going back to Dubai?
Wait, we had gone there last year. Yeah,
How was it?
experience was really good.
Food.
Was very familiar. So yeah,
Have you been there before? Before that?
I've been there before that.
How many
I'm
times?
looking forward. I've stayed there like for about 10 months. So I'm looking forward to this trip one more time. Like, rock Dubai.
Let's go.
Let's go.
After how long are you going back to Dubai?
Last year.
Last year.
11 months.
11 months. How was the experience last time?
It's good. Well organized. Organizer was good.
How was your experience personally, leaving the gig aside? Are you looking forward to something?
Food wise, yeah. Take it away. What you are trying?
Seafood boil?
No.
What was that?
Nachos and tacos.
Nachos. What you are trying? Ticket model mega and spread.
Laffa.
Laffa.
Sweet?
Looking forward for laffa, na?
What is
It's
laffa?
assorted platter.
Of?
Non-veg, no?
Non-veg shawarma.
Shawarma.
Oh.
That was our treat to all the people who had us.
So basically, jecha hoita.
We enjoy the food.
Nice.
This talented sound engineer here. All the way from the UK. And then is Joe. Yo. After how long you're going back to Dubai?
I went recently, in fact.
Feb?
Yeah.
For
For a gig.
old gig.
Yeah, man. For a gig.
26.
Yeah. So is it?
Ah, yes.
Muscle memory.
We have Yvonne in the chat here. Yeah. Yvonne, turn the camera towards us. Hi Yvonne, how are you? What? केल्लें लास्ट इयर एक्सपिरियन्स कशें आलो तुगेलो लास्ट इयर
Oh, I felt sick, bro. Last time, this time also, I just took a dolo. There's something with Dubai and me. Correct?
आतां बंद ना
No, I just took a dolo. I feel sick every time whenever I'm traveling to Dubai.
anything you're looking forward for general
Dubai?
yeah
Oh, fuck, shawarma and lafa.
everyone is after that lafa
Yeah? They also said.
Agnel and Elton said lafa they want Agnel wants to try it he said again try or
Oh, he tried, no? Last time he was there.
आणि
Camel shawarma.
camel
Yeah. Camel shawarma.
Very yes, camel shore.
No kidding, huh? Camel shawarma. I'm just yalla habibi. Camel.
yeah we can see you nicely yeah nice
हम किसको रेड बैंड भी हॉलिडे पर सेपरेट यार दुबई भी से एंजॉय कर पातो हाँ रे नरे टिकेट भी इसको 20,000 में मेटा अफोर्डेबल दुबई रे अप एंड डाउन गुड वर्थ इट है ते डेजर्ट सफारी भी कोरिया ते भितर भी होते
अरे तुगे गिटार भितोडलो मरे ते में
ना ते
किती चालतो कडे किती चाला सारखे सांग
सोण्या मार पोईत कमी यार गाणी ना
कित मोठं लावलं?
they thought it's a weird first time they guys instrument headless रे they thought it's a
hey
weird
you wait we have to shoot a
Good,
B-roll
I
of
put
that
that body ते चित्ता ते आपले नायजा करू using घेऊन ते तोफा ते when I was leaving my house no उघड असून ना रे गिट आणि वाजत मग थिंक आणलो oh shit
by the way we forgot to
अरे
take
एअरपोर्ट
राव
आहे मी
हो एअरपोर्ट भूता आहे सारखे खबर
अरे
हय सारखे खबर तुवें बंदरा व्हिडिओ आहा ते मुळचंय एक मेन फ्रेज मुळो आहा ते तितू लेट्स दो
लेट्स किती
लेट्स दो
दो दो लेट्स दो
वेट
अरे अमर यांचा त्याला मासोडा टांग स्लिप जा बाबा दुबई लेट्स डू
the people are not going Hilton and I have that habit of not putting pressure on my leg thank you let's do हां ते बॅगां घालूंक ना मरे फ्लायटां हजयतलो कितें
लागतं नाही मला बरोटो नाही तो अनबॉक्सिंग व्हिडिओ लागतो
अटक गया
डिझाईन रे
दिस यू बॉट न्यू तो टेबला चालू तो नाही तो
कसं
चेक पॉलिश केलं हॅपी बर्थडे
I have given it to A from C. Hammering मारून
Yes. 360.
Galu in the back seat.
किती मोठाला पहिल्या टाकीत सांगपाच आहे
सगळं चलो या లేదా సస్పెన్షన్ పోతుంది అంటే काम आहे
तुम किती सोडणार आहे किती सोडवा मरे
बरोबर मरे
किती सोडवा मरे
काय ना So Pralan, how does it feel to be in Dubai?
त्याचा एक ट्रेनिंग कार्ड आहे राऊंडमध्ये
This smells like Zara.
LinkedIn.
आजच तू करणार
तू आगे चेक करा ते वापस मेहनत आहे
बरं आहे ना मरे सारखं.
कसं होतं लेसन झालं
Close to expiry.
नेपाल असतो म्हणजे
विजा बघा नेपाल असतो तीन हजार
आणि अख्ख्या वर्ल्डला ना डायरेक्ट होणार आहे म्हणून
QR code scanning right.
डिटेल्स
बरं आहे केला बस सात मागायला पोर्चुगीज कोण कोण
कॅनडा
हां
Canada was one of the yes, I think allow them to go.
That's right.
Suitcase on the car.
Noel.
There's how many for you? There's Saknel.
We met.
I'll come. I just want to come. Ration card. Ration card. कशी आहे त्या
They missed it. Oh, I hear it.
रूम सर्विस
All that doesn't matter. Just understand what
I take it as hold on release
hold is what to make something sound natural.
to hold it to hold
Yeah, hold on.
okay.
So it makes it sound natural.
nice room
Okay, तुका एक simple एक formula देता हूँ. तू by heart को run कित्याक लाई. If you want something to sound punchy with the compressor, what are you going to do?
first we go that time
So तुका कित्या तुका ऐश को दे. ऐश को दे आनो sound हो.
first say I go with the flute
Flute you can't do punchy. Flute is not a punchy.
a good tone tonality with a good body
So categorize into two sections. Transients, other waves.
गाइस नो शर्मा
Hello, तो वही रहता है. Open.
I'm not opening. You're opening.
No, you have to.
What is happening?
You have to.
Yes.
So what is on yourself?
A few moments later.
विस्की नाका रोजंती ए नाका तो केस जोड़े विस्की नाका अरे आज तेरे तीन बॉर्ड माने आज रात को तीन बॉर्ड म्हणतो ने रात दिस इज यंग ब्रो रात तीन पांचा मोड बाजी
काल सकाळ मला जेली
Sorry. Underwater, waterproof.
Case.
with the case with the case
So the new one is without the case.
this is the new one
No, you don't need the case list.
just to be safe microphone see everything is waterproof till you test it
No, it's tried and tested.
this is X5 the new one
आणि वॉटरप्रूफ करवा येते का
welcome home we home baby
1 minute and 7 seconds earlier!
forgot already what's our room number forget it finally rap finds it hey
Yeah, 270. I was right the first time.
fucking not opening
269? Eh. No, they asked me 269. 279.
And best
opened their rooms over there.
Remo Beats.
That's it for today. See you tomorrow, day 2.
Let's go.
Let's do.
This is difficult to believe, but I can't see someone in shorts. क्या हुआ?
Amazing. Karla lafti bani aldım buraya.
Good, amazing food.
Last उड़लो उड़ रहे. Yes. This is not BTS. No. One of BTS.
Time to head out.
So how was the first set?
It's going to be a lot of young crowd. I think it's going to be more lively. Already met a few guys outside.
Right now we are headed to Elton's room to meet a friend and also go down as a group. Go down, as in go down. Go down. Not on someone, just in general. Lift. How are you feeling there? How are you feeling?
I mean, first half was nice.
Yeah, small.
Yeah.
Comfort crowd.
Comfort crowd and more family oriented.
Yeah.
This one will be like
Okay, we are here to party.
party. I think here, because they don't get to spend, I mean, they don't find parties happening that easily. So I think people go all out when they actually have like some big party happening.
Especially something when it comes to Goa. Goans.
Yeah, everyone.
Otherwise they listen to
You can go to a Thailand club. They're singing Oh Carol.
In bed. In bed.
That guy killed it. That guy smashed it. Shout out to Mr. Kadak Man.
Yeah, what?
Smashed it last night, bro.
Stranger in the hallway.
Who Priya?
Kung Fu Panda.
469.
Amazon delivery.
Yes. Open the door. Our iPads are going out the window. Oh, sorry.
Roston is there.
Wow.
I'm like,
How are you?
I sent it purposely to see her reaction.
wait. Is it 479?
How are you?
I ate that like a champ.
I never knew what time we were starting, where you were playing, what's happening, nothing whatsoever.
तू मेन्यू चेक किती आहा तेंचा? You have to ask no what food you all serve. Western जेवण येतं मग लांब आता restaurant बसून.
I never knew that you all started playing so early.
There was two.
And Marshall called me at 2:15.
Yeah, Marshall I met earlier.
What the fuck is doing at 2:15? I was sleeping at that time.
He was there. He came with his.
तेगे बा बाहेर आहे. It doesn't look like him only. I said, तू तुझ भाषेत दिसो ना मरे. तू किती proof जाय का हे आपणागला होई तो.
So the recording never happened, huh?
Joe is like
This is
I heard about it.
recording is happening now.
And now I know. I saw you doing it.
So question did you think? How was your experience listening to 24K India?
I never heard yours.
It's the best.
I'm gonna hear yours now. After some time, then probably I'll tell my experience. You are going to the pool.
The video that never happened.
Yeah, this was yours, I think, no?
No worries.
How's Emo?
It's fine. It's coming in November.
Gary, drink Gary.
Okay. How's the wife?
Camera is good.
तू येते मॅडम फर्स्ट टाइम नो रस्ट ना.
Get me only one cheap.
तो ड्रमर.
Oh, it's okay.
गिटार लायसन दिला ते त्याच बरोबर वाजला.
आज मागुडा आता थांबून ना मागे ड्रम आजूबाजू
Yeah, isn't it?
I bet this first guitar गेलो ते electric.
And even when I saw today, when I saw the.
So, Janam Kundi.
Saturday night.
I saw 12 to 3. And I'm thinking, what?
12
I didn't know
to.
12, yeah.
Don't want to come on camera.
Since I know he had
No, you
told me
can
they're coming,
take
I didn't bother to.
कितें सांगपा जाय
होय आयकून सांगा
मागीर 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 मागीर
पयलें एल्टन
हें मातशें
ना पयलें एल्टना 2-3 गाडी मार हे फोड्या मागीर सांग सारकें
Good to see you. Good to see you too.
Hello. Hi.
Joe.
How are you?
Hi, Joe. Good. How are you? Good. Normal. Nice.
Separate.
Hello. Good. How was the function?
Earlier we didn't wake
No, there. What are we doing?
11 we wanted to be down.
It's 11 now.
Elton 11 we supposed to be down.
अरे यार I tried calling again. लागो ना.
12 o'clock we're starting.
Nothing. You were sleeping. Then I call you back.
He told me that
So we'll go no?
you're sleeping.
No, the Roland was there. So he said 11:30. You might be sleeping.
Yeah, so we have to go
Nah,
before that.
yesterday I slept early. Yesterday left 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock to 11 out. I woke up at 7 something. Some pool or something.
No.
I told him to call.
We were in.
Hey, Gada, I'm ready.
Dada.
Arey, Joe, man, shit. Very far, I remember.
Gala ready?
We came together, remember?
Pick up, man.
We left together.
Which bus?
Call over which bike.
Hey, why are you sitting there? Sit
Don't
down
worry.
now.
किती किती कोता
मस्त तरी घालपा स्टार्ट कर होयशी खंयची
जाता रे
Yeah,
मा
it's
ग्रुप
easy to-
रोलना वयच्यान कितें म्हणलें एक राय वयतो म्हूण
तेट साडीक राय म्हण रे That's what I'm telling you now.
बरें लेट्स गो
Let's do. Nice.
Hey, it's
Arjit
like eyes are like Melanie only. No?
Yeah, we are ready to go.
Super excited, guys.
So I thought longest.
Guys, we have Fräulein on the other side of the lens. Maybe we should.
No, Fräulein doesn't come in front.
Yo, what's up? Let's go.
Let's go.
Is you know?
Both the sides are rich.
Which is the best month to have a parade? March. Quaresma. March. What?
Clinton just correct. He is the best man to have a parade.
Parade? Yeah. I'm thinking, Parade. March.
चल
March. Start marching.
Why same hand, same leg? That's not very much.
No, but anyways, we are taking the bottles. I'm already smuggled.
Please, someone accompany me.
You guys go down. Whoever is going.
अच्छा मुगे फर्स्ट गिटार हांव बाराबो गेलोले
पण म्हाका वाजोवपा कळना वाजो पळय तो
तूं म्हाका धरपी
हांव धरपी
तेको पयशे दिवप बरें आनी कितें सांगो बू
पावले रे फूल
डावन
डावन सकल
सोकला
पयली गिटार एका पयशे दिवप मरे आनी कितें सांगो बू हांवें मागल्या देखून दिनाक न्हू
हो तो
हय 6 so many little more than 6
ते
months
गिटार बेश्टें इजिली येयलें ना तें तेक बरो
Night shift.
अरे सगळ्यां गाडी मारती म्हाका मेळटा तो बरो लयला एश कोन चोयता मॅनेजर रे हेजे कितें येलें काय हाव इज टॉकिंग सो नायसली टू दिस फेलो ओरें बरो लय रे मोगोडे
everyone
लॉलिफ
Okay, we are here.
469 नो सकल आसा भायर
I think we enter from the side of
Our friends are here. ये फ्रेंड मुगेले सगळे हुई शोवाल जाताय और ते आना मारी आमगे रेस्टॉरंट लड्डू तेगे चेडो सो तेगे नाव काडा डिस्काउंट मेळटा 10% ऑब्वियसली मेळटलो तुमकां आनी हेगे नाव काडलो जाल्यार तुका 10% बाय शी इज मॅरीड टू देयर डॉटर 10% चल ए तू एक काम कर घेन थिंग भितो कितें तर तेका ना वर मग चांगलं ए मागे सांग तेका चला हाडले
And all that I could see is you. And now I'm dying to feel alive. So baby, let's try something new. Let's make tonight the celebrate. Baby, I just don't wanna wait. Tonight's the weekend.
What do you think is going to happen? People are going to go crazy tonight? Yes, that's the feeling.
Crazy. Shit. It
was fun, man. Huh?
After a rocking show in Dubai, and here we are right in Kerala to rock Kerala. Yeah, let's do this. Dubai, Mama. Had a good time.
Agner.
It was all in the mind. Very good.
Kunal excited for tomorrow's show?
Yeah. Very much.
What do you have to say about Dubai? I just lost my earbud case in the plane. Oh, that's okay.
I lost my entire earbud set.
Clinton, how many years you had your earbuds? How long did they last you?
This one is as old as my old phone.
What's the secret?
These are like Galika Fanda.
Yo. It was a good experience. Second time, looking forward for more.
What are your thoughts of the band you heard over there?
Okay, that was my first experience. I really liked the drummers playing. So I was more engrossed in that. But yeah, overall a very good set. We've got to learn a lot. So yeah.
The best part of Dubai trip was left for 8 bottles of beer. He left 6 in the car and he had brought just 2 and there were to be 2
Yay!
Oh,
now he is taking his live interview. Our friend Ramit got us some sweets. So sweet of him.
His dad is getting dad jokes out now.
Forget Dubai. Lapa. Time for some coffee. Thank you, Agil.
Yo, tiffin you have to give.
I want this.
You want her or you want the burger?
I want this.
Hey guys, we are in Kerala. We are in Thrissur right now. It is so beautiful. Really loving the climate over here. We're going in for a quick sound check. So really excited for tonight. See you soon.
I'm the only person in this band that I tried breakfast at sharp at 9 a.m. and after then I went to sleep back. Then again wake up at 2 o'clock. Then I enjoyed a lunch. And today was Monday, so I couldn't have anything. But veg was awesome with rasam. Hello. We came from Dubai. We saw the Dubai frame.
Favorite place or city that you have performed at?
Bangalore Catholic Club. The show was also nice, and after that, after show party also.
The
Crowd were very caring for a band. Like, it was, I think, it was the response we were looking for. Amazing.
I like the crowd over there. Even the All-M Christmas ball. Very more Christmassy.
outstation show.
Macau! I didn't like that. Singapore. Then I didn't see many ones. नेक्स्ट शो मध्ये मुंबईवर येतो आणि ते उघडासे ना फॅक्टरी आधीच झाडाचे एक पॅकेज केलं I will speak behalf of Agnes. Definitely City Max. City Max. Lights, real guy.
Night shift. We have our DJ is back, Brandon Dale.
No, so you guys came from Dubai. I've come from Dubai. Technically, we're all both come from there so today. Indian okay, man?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Ramit, all set?
Full vlog,
Yeah.
You can put and keep if you have a playlist, no?
subscribe, like, share, comment, DM.
He's the man, huh? Because of him, we are here today at Kochi.
Not mine.
Hey. Shout out
is the boss.
Shout out to Ben and Flo, Pramit.
24K's Atma. Is our soul. I had a shower, bro. In natural water.
What's your thoughts of the sound?
Sounding good. When people come, it will sound better.
Oh, okay. Pre-planned everything, huh?
We think about the people.
Our man behind the lens is behind his phone camera.
Lens.
15 minutes
What
vlog
is
ko
saying?
change ko dito.
Yup, indeed it is.
He has it.
Ah, you have the earphones, and I thought I left it at the airport. New winner is Elton again for losing his earphones. Mukia.
Are very contagious. No, I told you. Damn good shit. The sound check went amazing today. They left me back in the hotel. Gave me the shortest sound check ever.
Gave you no loads.
Gave you no loads. Gave me logo which is facing low. Thank God. Now don't leave me back now. Sound check was good. The ceiling was shaking. All the staff and all came wondering what's happening. Like rocking Trishur. Huh? Where we are?
Trishur. Yeah.
Trishur. Trishur is in for a treat tonight.
All set. You're looking good in tux. How do I look?
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. कम्बक इश्क है जो See.
Do.
I'm sending a list to Brandon. He said he's going to do something crazy with the visuals. I'm excited for it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all of you. I kindly request everyone to please take your seats as we are about to begin this evening's festivities.
On behalf of both the families, we are delighted to welcome you all to the wedding reception.
Because she takes out your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. Sweet, sweet sugar cola.
Food was good. Drinks were good. Show was good. Always a pleasure coming to Kerala. Different kind of people, different place. One of the best event companies we work with. The smoothest process, especially from the time we enter the state till the venue, till we reach back to the airport and Goa. So thanks to Pramit and Evan for organizing everything so seamlessly. And Bhaga even packed sandwiches for us for the drive to the airport in the month. Yeah, thank you Pramit, thank you Evan. So on the way when we came to Kerala, we found this nice percussion player. We picked him up. Then what are your thoughts? So glitter the thoughts here, dreams. I was dreaming. He dreamt the whole show. And for the show, he was only dreaming, not doing the song. There is manifestation. So this is anti-manifestation. Things that I like about being a musician. Places that we get to travel, I don't think any normal human being gets to experience that. The people that we meet. Every gig is like meeting new people, new cultures, experiencing new stuff. I was doing a 9 to 5, I don't think that's an opportunity I would get. So that is something I enjoy about music. Things I don't enjoy, I think managing the band. It's easier when you're working alone.
So would you think of taking up DJing as a career at some point? Got
Fingers crossed.
inspired looking at
Brendan, yeah.
Brendan Tali.
But his DJing work is much more than normal, but a regular DJ that we see around himself. He's good. Pramit only plays the pause, hits the pause and play button. That's the DJ I want to be.
What do you think makes a good band?
I think work, hard work. Not just a band, anything in life, all you have to do is work towards it. Be better the next day than what you were the previous day. And the rest of it just comes to you. Consistency.
Anything you have to say about the Dubai show? Dubai to Kochi and now back.
The travel part of it, very, very nice. Plus the amount of fun that we had in the last couple of days. Again, shout out to Roland and Cookie Events for hosting the event. And amazing hospitality in Anand. If you watch this, thanks a lot for the hospitality and absolutely amazing service that you give us. From there to come to Kerala, go out back again to Kerala, again meeting our old friend Pramit and Brandon. It was a fun experience.
It's been how many years since you have been playing drums?
than 30 years. Traveled a lot. Traveling a lot.
Traveling a lot. Good thing. Different places.
Learned a lot.
One voice wants to be a drummer today. Like something which will, like they should really give a lot of importance to. What is that?
Work hard. That's it.
That's it?
Police Sting and the police.
Sting and the police.
Also Toto a lot.
This is the original instrumental.
Oh yeah, we have finally reached Kochi.
Kochi,
sorry. Sorry. Coimbatore, yeah. We came to Kochi and we are in Coimbatore. Excited. Oh, it's really tiring. I'm out of words because it was really tiring. I am tired. Everyone is tired.
Some things you like and don't like about being a musician.
Like musician? It's a good one. So musicians, being a musician gives me joy in the world.
And what is the joy in the world? Inside joke.
So this is a new song written by our very own Goan KK.
KR.
Oh sorry. KR. Kunal Raikar. But it stays in Naveli, not in Raya.
And what's the name of the song?
Joy in the world. Joy in the world, Kunal is here. Today my day is very good and I came especially here to eat this masala dosa.
Yeah. Damn.
Especially from Goa to Coimbatore.
All the way to Coimbatore just for a
After
dosa.
having this, I'll be going back to Goa.
Something you can share about your experience of being a musician, good, bad.
Everything is good and bad. Starting felt bad.
Like what was
Bad reviews
of
not proper playing and all this.
Okay.
That was beginner, just to get more ideas, get to learn a lot of the things. So that's why after that I'm here to eat this dosa. Yesterday's show I enjoyed a lot because there was best equipments we got, and the main thing, the show was rocking and the energy was too good among all artists, and yes, everything is good. You know the Clinton, no? Just now it happened in the airport. He was supposed to board and for that he forgot his guitar near the security. He ran back and get it back.
I think your dosa is getting
Dosa
good.
is getting cool.
Okay, cool.
We are also cool, yeah. You know, but dosa also is cool now.
So, got a new wallet. Oh, damn.
Congratulations, Joe.
For buying a
Getting
new
a new
wallet.
wallet with 200 rupees inside.
200 rupees.
He bought a wallet for around 4,000 rupees, and in the wallet, if you see, there is only 200 rupees.
Our wallet is worth more than that. This count is.
Ready? It's all cashless. That's why I don't use.
So-
See, I'm paying so much money for these jeans, where you have already have given you pockets to keep the money, or whatever you want, mobiles, one here, and two are back. So that's more than enough, I guess. Instead of paying 4,000 for the pocket, it's enough, no? 2,000 rupees jeans, and
Yeah.
you're getting 4 pockets free. You keep your money here, wherever you want.
Makes sense. So what you do is, wherever you go, carry this gym.
Not only
Nothing enough.
all jeans I've got 4 pockets.
All things you have. But do you have something in your pocket or is
But इज्जत अंदर ही है.
Well, it was nice, well managed, good crowd, organizer was good,
The response from the crowd was nice, very appreciative crowd. We gave a good set list from our side. Now coming back to Cochin, flight was good. Indigo, good stay, hotel, good management, and party, function, good response, good sound. Whatever we asked for the tech, we got it. Overall was a good experience. Most of all, we enjoyed the good food.
Your journey as a musician has been full of adventures. What do you have to say about that? This only we know, but it's nice if you could share it, like, you know.
Okay, as a musician, we are blessed to travel places, experience their food, their culture, the weather, make new friends, meet new musicians, a different style of music, get involved with those guys, get to learn from those guys. Whether you're young, whether you're old, that's a privilege we have as a musician. We have to just control regarding our vices, say drinking, smoking. That's to be a threshold, limitation.
Yes, boss. So, college life is good, but life in London is bad. All the experience is fun. We dance too much. We do stupid stuff. I miss my photographer partner. Island bro, we miss you. Bye.
You all know Clinton. Whatever he is. Just recently he forgot his guitar. But whatever it is, he never forgets his Allen key. He keeps it forever.
Get an Allen key, but you'll forget your guitar. It's
We're finally back to our hometown. It's a very joyful day. Now, Kunal, joy in Goa. After how many days? 5 days of traveling. Now, why you all both was sitting like a detective there?
Huh?
Like, detective as supposed to like. We were. We may look like musicians.
Yeah.
But we work for all.
But we have to make sure that there is joy in the plane.
When your work is done, you all go, no? You all move from there. Why are you all sitting? See, we are on a mission. It's not about just making music. Behind saying we are working for a country. We are part of Indian rock. But you all spoiled my mission. My mission was just going to start. But you all spoiled. I just saw you all are sitting like detective. Like this. Acha, aap खुफिया पुलिस हो. Such a good, beautiful lady. As an aerospace. Like
And he is asking for.
But you know, this guys spoiled all mission.
He did.
Oh, video that by like a number. Too beautiful, I think. And you know, this bite is forcefully taken by those guys. So those are not my words. It's a blessing. Like doing what you love and traveling to different places and playing music. It's a nice feeling. But also it's very tiring and it takes a toll on your health. Like just advice to musicians, like take care of your health while you are doing it and just balance out it well.
Hey guys, just got off the airport, hopped into the car, can't wait to go back to my family. Super tired, super exhausted, but Kerala was amazing. It was fun. The people at the wedding reception thoroughly enjoyed as much as we enjoyed playing for them. Looking forward for the next one. Well, for me, the biggest con of being a musician would be the constant time away from home. It can sometimes be really exhausting and it gets really hard to keep up with your daily routine. The best part of being a musician would be you get to share your music with different people and to experience and explore different places and different cultures.
Well,
Dubai and Kerala, 2 gigs, 2 amazing places that we got to visit and perform. Again, shout out to Roland and Nathan from 24K Events for the amazing experience that we had during our time in Dubai. Also, Pramit and Eben from Ben and Flow, you all make the experience so seamless. A surprise actually meeting Brendan after a very long time. Bro, you killed it with the LED visuals. I was literally in awe. To all you guys, I hope you liked this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon for further updates on our channel. So, see ya and peace out.